Hello guys, how are you? I hope all of you are good. So today again we are with you with our analysis video. So in this video we are going to analyze the most trending coin in last 1 week, and yes, it is Turbo. Everywhere people is talking about the Turbo. So what will be the future for the Turbo? Is investing in the Turbo is better or not right now? Let's analyze. This is the weekly time frame of the Turbo. Guys, Turbo gives a very huge breakout at the weekly time frame. You can see that. So maybe I think if we want to buy Turbo, so right now not a good time to accumulate the Turbo. If we had to buy Turbo, then this is the good time when we have to buy the Turbo. But we miss the entry, then now we have to wait because already we are up. So maybe for me the good buying zone for the Turbo is this level. So at this level I will accumulate Turbo. So I will wait for Turbo to give some correction, and then I will buy Turbo on that level. If we see that Turbo is take the liquidity from the weekly time frame of this level and a pullback needed, because I don't think Turbo will fly from this level directly. After a pullback we have a great entry, so keep eye on that level. You can accumulate according to the weekly level. Weekly level is for the long term holders. So for long term holders I think you have to wait some time, because there is a trend line also in making but not properly. So we have to wait. We have only these things. If we see the EMA, so we have a 20 EMA on weekly time frame, and we can see that it gives a good breakout. So after pullback we can initiate our entry. Let's move on to the daily time frame. So daily time frame is suggesting that we have a good breakout of trend line. Also, if we see that this is the great breakout, so maybe it will a sustainable breakout or a healthy breakout, because it took the liquidity in weekly time frame. So still we have a chance to accumulate the Turbo, because Turbo is right now at the level of resistance. So after a pullback near this level we can accumulate Turbo. So keep eye on that. You can buy Turbo here because already we are in a overbought zone, so pullback is needed. I think we will see some correction, and a inside bar candle is also in making. So maybe if this will be an inside bar, then mark the levels, then breakout or breakdown of the candle, you can initiate your entries. Okay guys, so if you are still not our Telegram member, so link is given in the description. Join our community and enjoy our free services for you guys. So this is all for the Turbo. Turbo is looking nice, and entry will be at this level. So mark that level on your charts and wait for the Turbo to give correction and buy or accumulate Turbo on that levels. So please like the video and share the video with your friends. So and show your love in the form of comment. So your comment give me the motivation, so I need that motivation from you guys. So please comment down this kind of videos is helping you or not. Please comment down. Okay guys, so we'll meet you in the next video. So tata, bye bye, see you, take care.